school. I come back home with my dogs, Fanta, Santo, Sully. I love them so much. They're like my friends. I love them, friends, more than my friends. Every time says that they only play with them. I love them so much with your life in my heart, and you're my friend. Next day, yay, I went to Egypt, and I was thinking about them. I cannot stop